In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to create a Spotify playlist with friends. Let's get started. First, launch your Spotify app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now navigate to your library page. Now from here, you can easily create new playlist. Click on the option plus given at the top right. Now select the option collaborative playlist. Give it a name. Click on create. After you create it, you are able to add songs to it. Click on the option add to this playlist. Then select the songs. Once you have updated your playlist with the songs, now you can share it. All you have to do is click on three dots. Now select the option share. Check in for the option invite as collaborator. Now I can copy link or use these options, different platform, WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook, and share the link with your friends. After your friends join, they will be able to add or remove songs from the playlist. So this is how you can easily share playlist on Spotify. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.